When the sun's out and you want a bit of a refresher to get through the day, sip on a glass of this strawberry iced tea. You would want to start by placing the strawberries in a bowl. Add in the granulated sugar, then mix to coat. Set it aside and in a pot of boiling water, steep the tea bags for 5 minutes. Afterwards, remove the tea bags from the pot and let it cool. Stir the cooled tea into the strawberry mixture before adding in the lemonade. Stir to combine, then let it chill in the refrigerator. Once chilled, pour in the sparkling water before serving over ice cubes. Place a piece of strawberry into the rim of the glasses and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.